Alright, picture this. You twirl your fork into a creamy, vibrant green pile of pasta, and before that first bite even hits your tongue, the scent of fresh basil and zesty lemon fills the air. This, my friends, is the Lemon-Basil Avocado Alfredo Pasta, and there's a reason it's taking over foodie hearts everywhere. So why are people absolutely losing it over this dish? First up, flavor. The avocado acts like a silky, buttery base, but without the heaviness of traditional Alfredo. Add in that squeeze of lemon, and suddenly it's bright, almost refreshing, like summer in a bowl. And don't even get me started on the basil. That herby punch transforms the whole experience from just creamy to holy wow. Who made this? But it's more than just a flavor bomb. This pasta feels indulgent, but it's actually on the lighter side. No cream, no guilt. You get all that dreamy richness, plus a serious boost of healthy fats from the avocado. Honestly, it's a win-win for anyone who wants to treat themselves and still feel good afterward. Then there's the vibe. You can serve this up at a dinner party and look like a culinary genius, or whip it together for a quick lunch that looks and tastes like you actually tried. It's got that wow factor, but it's secretly super simple. So if you haven't jumped on the Lemon-Basil Avocado Alfredo Pasta craze yet, what are you waiting for? One bite and you'll get it. Trust me,